Chinese people are choosing to watch their TV shows online. There are a handful of Chinese sites specially made for Chinese viewers where major shows air. These include the most popular Chinese shows, American TV dramas, and a number of other web series. The China National Network Information Center says that 370 million people in China were watching shows online in 2012. That is an increase of more than 46 million from 2011. Millions more are probably watching today. 66% of all internet users in the country are watching videos online. There really isn't any other way around it either. The shows on TV sets give very little options and are still very controlled by the state. There seems to be a whole new world available online. They can watch shows that are not as China-focused as those on TV. They have programs from abroad that address more mature issues like relationships and crime. Popular foreign shows used to be illegally downloaded, but the online sites have chosen to buy the rights and have been able to take advantage of their newfound position. Analysis International says the total revenues for Chinese online video websites reach about $2.4 billion by the end of 2013. It was predicted the number would likely exceed $3 billion in 2014. The sites have such huge revenues mostly because they don't have much competition. They've been able to take over the massive gap between censored TV shows and those that can be found on the internet. They are also able to promote shows and buy exclusive rights to them. For the millions of docile TV watchers in China, the addiction to these online TV shows keeps them as steady customers. In 2006, there were more than 100 online video websites in China. But now the major online video websites in China have fallen to less than 10. The final survivors are Youku, Sohu, and iQIYI. These three large websites feed programs to huge chunks of people in China. Youku's name doesn't sound like YouTube on accident. It's a pretty close copy to the format of YouTube. It's the biggest and fastest site for self-uploaded video content. Youku has a working relationship with another site called Sohu. It will send people there through links. Sohu is more well known for its HD network. This is where people go to watch movies, variety shows, and TV series. iQIYI also offers HD videos for movies and TV shows, but doesn't have the popularity nor the influence of the first two. These large online video websites are fighting for exclusive rights to shows. This has pushed up the prices. A popular pastime in China is singing. A talent show for singers called The Voice of China Season 1 became very popular. The rights to its first 12 episodes sold for about $3 million. Because of its popularity, Sohu invested about $16 million to buy exclusive rights to The Voice of China Season 2. Chinese media said the show brought in 200 million renminbi. With such a large profit margin, other websites started to buy up exclusive rights to shows. LiTV spent about $7 million on its bid for the super hot reality show titled Where Are We Going Dad Season 2. It also invested more than $16 million for exclusive rights to a popular singing show called I Am a Singer Season 2.